everybody. We're here with Lili and
Rolo.
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to make
some dog treats.
Peanut butter dog treats.
Yep.
So what we have is we have how many dogs? We have Kane, Callie, Lolly, and Meech. So we're gonna make special dog treats for all of our dogs. How many dogs do you have?
I got 1 and 2.
You got 2 dogs? And what's your dog's name?
Callie and Kane.
Callie and Kane. So, and I have Lolly, and then Kiki has
Cash.
Meech.
Meech.
So, this is what we're gonna need, okay? Very simple recipe. You need 2.5 cups of
sugar.
No, wheat flour. Wheat flour. So that's 2.5 cups of wheat flour. Then you're gonna add an egg, and you're gonna add natural peanut butter.
Natural peanut butter.
That's right. We don't want nothing fake for our fur puppies. We want nothing for our fur babies. We want natural peanut butter. Make sure that your peanut butter says salt and peanut butter. That's it. And those are the only ingredients that should be in your peanut butter.
Yeah.
And then we're actually gonna have a cup of that. So far we have 2.5 cups of wheat flour. And make sure you use the wheat flour. I use some good flour because you don't want to use cheap stuff on your dog. And the other thing is too that white flour, bleach flour is really not the good stuff to have. So we're also gonna have 1 cup of natural peanut butter. And then we're gonna
peanut butter.
There you go. And then we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of honey. Now it doesn't really matter what type of honey, but mine is like half and half because I had half left of the organic and then I just mixed it in with this. So that's 2 tablespoons of honey.
And
then
we have everything, guys.
One more thing, sweetheart. 1 cup of water. Okay?
1 cup of water for every day I come over.
That's right. So now, this is what, when you combine everything, this is what it's gonna look like.
Yep.
How does it smell, Ro?
Peanut butter.
Smells like peanut butter. So, we're gonna come out.
We're gonna come out.
We washed our hands. We're gonna get ready.
Wait, I didn't wash my hands.
You didn't? You wanna go wash them? Okay.
I wanna wash this peanut butter.
Oh, you wanna wash the peanut butter, but we're cooking, so it's okay. Oh,
Wait, me?
no, we're gonna let Georgie do it. So, we combined all of those ingredients, right? And we have it all into a ball. And honestly, it doesn't even come out sticky.
Nope.
Then, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna roll it out to about 1/2 inch. And it's not difficult. You wanna try it? Let me try it first, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna roll it out to about 1/2 inch. And it's not that difficult to roll out. We kind of made it a little bit ago. So, during the preparation, what you should start doing is getting your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And once you preheat it to 350 degrees, you know, I try to multitask. Go ahead, Ro. She's my helper. There you go. And then what we're doing is we're just gonna get things ready. I ordered these from Amazon. These here. And I think they were a couple dollars, like $7 or $8. And it actually brings 3 of them. So it has a small, medium, and a large cutter. So very simple. Let's get ready to cut them up. When you put them in the oven at 350, you want to try to make one?
Yep. I'm gonna make Callie.
Okay, that's a big. When you put them for 350 degrees, all you really have to do is keep them in for about 11 minutes. Look at that.
Let's do
So guess what else I got from Amazon, because my husband and I, we said, well, you know what? Why don't we just take these and personalize them? So we're gonna come out and we're gonna put names on these. Hold on, you gotta do it harder. So, you wanna show the people who are watching? That's a big one. And then we're gonna make a medium-sized one for Callie. And I'm telling you, you see how these are? They're like literally like 1/2 inch. So because there's no baking powder or any type of baking soda, they're just gonna rise a little bit, but they're gonna be, you know, cooking a nice consistency. So this is the little nameplate thing that I have. I said I ordered this from Amazon. It's like $5 and it makes everything so nice and so personable. So these you're just gonna take them. You have to take them apart, and then after you take them apart, you put them in the little thing. Look how cute that looks. See? And then you have some personalized doggy biscuits. These are from my grand dog puppy, her Canes. Okay, so now we've put all our ingredients. We've actually started to cut them out with our cookie cutters, the doggy cookie cutters. We're gonna make our last one. Now, what we're gonna do is once we have them all ready to go, you should put them on parchment paper. And trust me, you're gonna wanna do the parchment paper because it won't stick on, and it'll make everything a lot more pleasant for you to deal with afterwards. So we're gonna actually take the name thing that we have here. You gotta put the name on here. You're gonna put the name on?
Yep.
Okay, so you're gonna put it in the center right here. She's a great helper. Look how nice. And we have Kane. Very nice. So they're gonna go in the oven, like I said, for 18 to 20 minutes.
I'm gonna
You'll see 'em.
Okay.
Put it right there. And we're gonna show everybody what it looks like. And this is gonna be a batch that we're gonna put in. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope, look at this chick. This is our quality time. So we're gonna put them in the oven, and then we'll be back and show you what they look like. So the 20 minutes are done, and we are going to take our biscuits out.
Let's give them to Lolly.
Oh, look at that. They look beautiful. Be careful. So this is what the end result is. You can say Kane's name. Kane has a really big one. So you gotta let them sit for at least half an hour before you give them to your dog.